These are the things you need for this recipe, and these are the things that you need to go from 40 seconds man to 40 minutes. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are looking for videos like this or other related videos concerning men, you are on the right channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. But before I proceed once again, I want to thank my subscribers and people that care to watch my videos. I promise that I will never disappoint each and every one of you out there. I want to say once again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending from where you are watching me from. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching this video. In today's video, it is all about how you can go from 40 seconds man to 40 minutes man. Assuming that you are the type that gets down or ejaculates within 40 seconds. It makes women angry and it can make a woman to run away from a man, or it can make a woman to turn off from a man. But with this recipe or with these fruits that I am going to tell you how you are going to use them, you will be a man that will run away from 40 seconds to 40 minutes and be the best to any woman you are with. So let's proceed. What are the fruits that you need to do this recipe, or the fruits that will make you to move from 40 seconds man to 40 minutes man? The fruits are: number one, carrots. Carrots is very good. Number two is apple. All of us know what is apple, and same thing with carrots. Number three is avocado pear. This avocado pear is very, very important if you want to get the best from this recipe. If you want to move from 40 seconds to 40 minutes, this avocado pear is very important. Number four is cucumber. It makes our body hydrated. This cucumber is very essential. Another one is groundnuts. I just buy from our local markets. This is how we tie our own groundnuts. It is also very important. Another one is watermelon. This watermelon is also important. You can also add some fruits, but do not add fruit that contain citric acid. Example of fruits that contain citric acid are: number one is orange. Don't add orange. I will tell you why you will never add any fruit that contains citric acid. So number one is orange. Number two is lime. Number three is grape and others. But these three contains citric acid, and you should not add them when you are preparing this recipe. The reason why is because adding this with this recipe can cause constipation. So never add any fruit that contain citric acid. So the final thing that you need for this recipe is milk. I'm using pig. Yes, I'm using pig. Very nice milk. I like pig. So peak is very important. I will tell you why you need to add milk at the end. So let's proceed. To start this, you need a good bowl or something like this, where you can be adding those things. Then, once you bring any of these fruits, after peeling, for example, this cucumber, slice it and put it in the bowl or in a thing like this. That is how you are going to do all the fruits and add them. Then, the last thing you are going to add is milk. This milk is very important, and this milk will act as a catalyst. You know what is catalyst? For those that know what is catalyst, a catalyst is a substance that can speed up the rate of chemical reaction. This milk will speed up the function and the rate of this recipe for it to go straight to all parts of your body and boost up your energy, for you to go from 40 seconds to 40 minutes. So this milk is very important. It will also act as a motivator, something that can speed up the rate of this recipe. So milk is very important, but make sure that you add milk. Milk is milk. So after adding all this, take it after your meal. Don't take it with empty stomach. It can also cause constipation. There are people that have light stomach. It can cause constipation. It can cause constipation when you take this recipe with empty stomach. Make sure that you eat your dinner before taking it. So make sure that you take this recipe maybe morning and the night, but preferably after your dinner. Take this recipe before you start your job. You will be a man of 40 minutes. Maybe you don't take time to ejaculate, but now for you to ejaculate must get to 40 minutes. So this recipe is one of the best recipe to make any man out there to move from 40 seconds to 40 minutes. What I am giving you people out there is tested and trusted. It works. I am not here to play games. I am here to share the knowledge I acquired from people around me. I know people that knows about roots and herb. So I do ask them questions, what to do in any kind of remedy you want. So what I am sharing is tested and trusted. It works. So any video that I am publishing on this channel is perfect. Not that it is perfect. No one is perfect. But I am sharing a knowledge that works. So make sure that you follow this procedure. You can add other fruits as you want, but make sure that you did not add any fruit that contain citric acid. I hope you know the fruits. The fruits are orange, grape, and lime. You can take them on their own, but don't take them with this recipe, because some people might think that you can add orange since orange is a fruit. No, orange can cause constipation once you are taking it with this recipe. So make sure that you take only this recipe. Don't put orange or add anything that contains citric acid to avoid constipation. So take it, and I believe that you will be a man that will go from 40 seconds to 40 minutes. I hope you like this video, and I hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Like and share this video to your friends and family. Comment on this video, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. I love you all. I appreciate you. Bye.